Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Google search bar on a desktop very easily. To do that, go to the search menu and type Edge. You have to open the Edge browser. Then after, you have to go to the three-dot option and go to the setting. You have to go to privacy search and services, and here you can find out search and connected experiences. Just click that and click here address bar and search, and here search engines, click here, and here is the Google, and go here and you have to make it default. Okay, here is the Google. Just click three dot and make it default. Then after, go to three dot and go to the more tools, and here the launch search bar. Now close the browser. Now here you can find out the Google search bar on your desktop. Okay, you can drag from left to right or between or at the bottom of the your screen. Okay, this is quite nice features of the Microsoft. Okay, if you like these videos, then do follow, share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.